I wanted to make a video to explain how to do the floral pricing worksheet and like where to find it. So if you go to classwork and you scroll down to flowers, there's this floral pricing worksheet practice. And we practiced this last week in person. Most of us did the blue floral pricing worksheet. We're gonna do the green one as an example. All right, so here's the thing is, say you don't know the prices of spider mums, all right? Down at the bottom, there is a tab that says wholesale unit cost of goods. You're gonna click on that, and that is gonna give you the price per stem. So price per stem of spider mums is 85 cents. So you're gonna go into that worksheet, spiders, 85 cents is the price per stem. You can highlight this column and put the little dollar sign in there, and then it gives you like the dollar sign. It's not necessary, but sometimes like if that's not put in there, it gives you like 1 decimal point or 2 decimal points or 4 decimal points, and it makes things a little bit confusing. So you're gonna find all of the prices from this wholesale unit cost of goods. So palms are all 61 cents. So the daisy palms, cushion palms, button palms, they're all 61 cents per stem. I'm gonna go back here. 0.61, daisy palms, 0.61, and then mini carnations, we'll go back to the wholesale unit cost of goods. Mini carnations are 45 cents per stem. So 0.45, and then solidago is 106 per stem, 1.06, okay? So there's this formula that you guys are going to enter. You're not just going to multiply this with a calculator, you're going to use a formula. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see what we're focusing on. So we're going to take the 2 and we're going to multiply it by the 85 cents, but we're going to use a formula in order to do that. So you're going to hit the equal sign and you're going to click on the 2, and it's going to be weird because it's going to say B4, and that's fine because that's like column B, row 4. And then the multiplication sign is the asterisk, which is shift 8. That's a multiplication sign. And then I'm going to click on this 85 cents. So it should say equals B4 times C4. When you hit enter, it is going to give you the price for you. All right. What's really cool is there's this little tiny little blue square right here. If you grab it and pull it down, it's going to do the same math for that whole column. All right. So then the markup ratio for the fresh flowers, I didn't have it entered in here, but there it is. It should be 3. 4-to-1 specialty flowers is only for crazy people that are bridezillas and they want a specific kind of flower. So now we're going to take the cost to the florist, the markup ratio, multiply those together. So in the final cost, equal sign, click on that 170, multiplication symbol, which is shift 8, and then click on the 3, hit enter. And you guys can rewind or pause anytime, okay? So then there's this little tiny blue square. You're gonna pull it down and it'll do the math for you. Now, you're gonna do that for all of these. Once you get down to the labor, you're gonna assume a quarter of an hour, $8 an hour. So where this final cost is, you hit the equal sign, you click on the 0.25, multiply by 8, hit enter. It's gonna give you $2 for labor. It's going to take you a lot longer. That's what a florist usually takes time. So now we're going to add up this column, cost to florist column. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to click in this box, hit the equal sign. Up the top is a function bar that looks, function button that looks like a sideways M. You'll click on that and hit sum. And then you're going to highlight this whole column. And I know not everything is on there, but what's cool is as you add stuff, it'll automatically add it to this amount. And then you're going to do the same thing for total cost to customer, equal sign, function key, sum, and then highlight that column, hit enter. And I know it only shows 1040, but eventually as you add the other costs, it'll automatically change that number there. All right, that is it.